And we are live right now. Yeah.
Yes.
Hello, everyone. My name is Hernan, and once again, I have the pleasure to be with Dr. Melvin Elson. How are you doing, Doctor?
I'm doing great. Glad to be back.
Okay. We're glad to have you back, Doctor. In this opportunity, I'd like to talk a little bit with you about your latest book, which is titled "Skin Scam: Dying to be Beautiful." Is that correct?
That is correct.
Okay, awesome. Can you tell us a little bit about what motivated you to write the book? What is it about? What subjects do you refer to in the book?
Sure. I have been noticing over the last actually 10 or 15 years people getting into the cosmetic injection and surgical industry, so to speak, who are totally not trained.
Right.
Some, unfortunately, are doctors who get tired of being in the emergency room or get tired of delivering babies and get tired of fooling with insurance, and they go into the cosmetic world. Some of them do get training. They get some training. Some of them get no training. There are also nurses on their own. There are even estheticians who are injecting products, which is against the law.
Right.
So I looked into this and actually wrote this to warn consumers to know what they're getting. Just because someone advertises that they are a quote cosmetic X, whether it's cosmetic surgeon, by the way, there's no such thing, or whether they are a cosmetic expert or a certified laser expert, these things don't mean anything. You need to check with your provider when you go into one of these med spas especially and ask, first of all, is there a doctor here? Most of the time the answer is no. And if there is a doctor there, what kind of doctor? Is he a dentist? Is he OBGYN? Are you there to have your teeth cleaned? Or are you there to have a baby? Or are you there to have some cosmetic work? That's the reason I did it to start with.
Okay. Yeah, it makes a lot of sense. What would be the highlights or the most important sections of the book, in your opinion, if someone were to read it right now or to purchase it?
Well, the most important section. This is the book, and the most important sections are those that tell you who should be working on your body for any purpose, but we're talking cosmetic here. Also, there's an interesting little part of the book that people who have told me is the most important to them, and it's a little guideline here at the very end, 365 ways to beauty, health, and well-being. And they found that very interesting. The people who have bought it are surprised that there are so many people out there doing procedures who are not qualified.
Right. Yeah. You're totally right. So this is a book that's aimed for the general public, so to speak, or for the potential patients that want to get a procedure done. Okay. It makes a lot of sense. Okay. How can people actually get the book, get a copy of the book, Doctor? How would you recommend they do it?
Well, the easiest way to get any book these days, of course, is Amazon.com. And the book is available in both hardback and an ebook on Amazon.com.
Okay, and do you have them featured on your website as well? Is that correct?
That's correct, but again, it can be bought on the website, not an ebook, only a hardback for $20. But again, it is easier for most people to simply go to Amazon and get an ebook.
Right. Right. Okay. Okay. So now do you know? So if you want to get Dr. Melvin Elson's latest book, which is Skin Scam: Dying to be Beautiful, that's the title. In case you want to look for it on Google or on Amazon, you can head over to Amazon or to www.drmelvinelson.com/books, where you also have the other two books you wrote. That's correct, Doctor?
Yeah, the other two books, Evaluation and Treatment of the Aging Face, is a textbook, and most people in the lay world would not be particularly interested in that. And the other one is called The Good Look Book, that I wrote a number of years ago with plastic surgeon Dr. John Hartley in Atlanta, Georgia.
Right. Okay. Okay. They are also featured on your website and on Amazon.com in case you want to have a look. And as you stated before, there is also a digital version in case you have a Kindle Fire or an ebook reader that you can find on Amazon, and or you can order the regular paperback version from Amazon or from Dr. Melvin Elson's official website. If you look for Skin Scam: Dying to be Beautiful in Google, you will also find the book in both versions. Okay, Doctor, thanks a lot for your time. It's been a delight as usual, and we hope to see you soon.
Thanks, Hernan. Good to talk with you again.
Okay, okay. Have a good day, Doctor.
You too.
Bye.